Hello to all the welding brothers. Nguyen is currently at the HK Welding Machine Factory, and right behind me is the latest production batch of the HK250A Digital Inverter Welding Machine, a true welding powerhouse that has been highly sought after by welders recently. Before we explore the power of the HK250A, let's take a tour and see how this machine is made. In the bustling atmosphere of the factory, the production line operates continuously with the effort and enthusiasm of the workforce, producing high-quality products to meet market demands. HK has always been a pioneering manufacturer in the field of mechanical engineering. As you can see, in the production process at HK, most of the steps are carried out automatically and are tightly controlled by a closed-loop system. Circuit boards and accessories are all scanned with QR codes for quality control. For a more detailed view, you can watch the journey of creating a HK welding machine in the video pinned below the description. With an attractive design, solid build, and powerful welding capacity, this welding machine, weighing only 9.2 kilograms, allows for easy operation, hassle-free mobility, and convenient storage. In addition, the welding current intensity reaches up to 250 amps, capable of welding rods up to 5.0 millimeters in size, with continuous rod burning at 4 millimeters. It's a very sturdy machine that's also incredibly easy to move around, and that is complemented by the machine's impressive work performance. With a duty cycle efficiency of up to 35% at a 250 ampere welding current under 40 degrees Celsius working conditions, the welding equipment can operate continuously for 3.5 minutes at 250 amperes without overheating. Moreover, the machine also accurately displays the actual welding current, allowing for more precise control of the current intensity when adjusted using the current control knob. The digital meter clearly shows the real-time welding current. To signal and protect the device when the internal temperature exceeds the allowable limit, the machine is equipped with an LED indicator to warn of overheating or overcurrent conditions. This feature helps ensure the durability and extend the lifespan of the machine. Especially, the two functions arc force and hot start are extremely helpful for welders during the welding process. When a short circuit occurs, these functions adjust the arc force, providing a welding current that is 20 to 50% higher than the initially set value. This helps stabilize the arc, reduces the risk of electrode sticking, and ensures smooth arc reignition, even when welding at low current levels. In addition, the HK250A welding machine is equipped with a shock protection function. The no-load voltage automatically drops to 19 to 22 volts, helping welders working at height avoid electrical shocks from high currents. It also provides extra safety when working in wet environments. HK250A welding machine, the perfect choice for your business. The HK250A digital welding machine is designed, manufactured, and crafted by HK right here in Vietnam. And importantly, HK is the exclusive manufacturer of this model in Vietnam. With all the advantages mentioned, the HK250A digital welding machine is the perfect choice for workshop welders. Since the HK250A is designed, manufactured, and crafted in Vietnam, you can rest assured about the warranty. If you're interested, don't hesitate to contact our hotline at +84 287 3036 536 and email export@honky.vn for the fastest support. And now, Nguyen says goodbye and looks forward to seeing you in the next video.